Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to remove background noise using AI using vid.io. So I've got a short video loaded into my timeline here. As you can see, it's about 4 minutes long and it involves a lot of voiceover work. So let's say you don't exactly have the best recording equipment and your microphone has a tendency to pick up a lot of background noise. A great way to enhance the viewing experience of whatever video you have is to clean up the audio. And as you can see here, right below our playback monitor, there's already a clean audio button. But let's say you don't see this, simply select your clip in your timeline and it should change the left hand menu here. So if you go down below, you're going to see a option here that says clean audio. Now take note, this does require some credits and its availability might depend on your subscription plan. So you can go ahead and click on clean audio and it'll automatically remove pretty much all the background noise in your timeline pretty quickly and pretty easily. There's another option here that I tend to use a lot. It's the remove silences, and clicking on it, it'll automatically remove any dead air and awkward pauses within your video. And as you can see, if you look into my timeline right now, a lot of it has been turned into smaller segments. That's because it's been cut out and the audio has been made to pretty much keep going without any pauses. And this usually has a positive effect towards your viewer retention. As you can see, my video duration also went down by about 30 seconds. So making use of those two options will enhance your videos a lot and help you really engage with your audience and improve your metrics. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.